Welcome to Spoken Hindi course by G Master of Manappare.
Ready? Start.
Our next lesson is about singular and plural in nouns. In Hindi, singular is called ek vachan and plural is called bahu vachan. In Hindi, the nouns ending with a in singular will have a for plural. For example, ladka, ladke, rupaya, rupaye, ghoda, ghode, bachcha, bacche. The feminine nouns ending with e in singular will have ya in plural. The long vowel sound e will be shortened to I. Then ya is added. For example, ladki, ladkiya, billi, billiya, tokri, tokriya, dali, daliya. Certain feminine nouns will have a in the plural. For example, kitab, kitabe, book, books, aankh, aankheं, eye, eyes, dawa, dawaएं, medicine, medicines. Certain words will be the same both in singular and plural. For example, kalam, both for pen and pens. Khet, both for field and fields. Bhai, both for brother and brothers. Pita, father and fathers. Dost, friend and friends.